It's Riverway Plumbing and Mechanical, your trusted plumbing and HVAC company since 2009 serving South Central Indiana. Today, we're talking about indoor air quality, what it means for your home, your health, and some easy DIY steps you can take to breathe easier. Let's get started. Indoor air quality is all about the air you and your family breathe inside your home. Poor air quality can lead to allergies, headaches, and even long-term health issues. Most people don't realize how much everyday life affects the air indoors. Common problems: dust and pet dander building up, mold and mildew in damp areas, chemicals from cleaning products, and poor ventilation, especially in winter. Easy DIY solutions. Change your HVAC filters. Replace filters every 1 to 3 months. It's the simplest way to keep air clean and your system running smoothly. Open windows. Even a few minutes a day can help fresh air circulate. Control humidity. Use a dehumidifier in damp areas like basements to prevent mold. Houseplants. Some plants can help filter indoor air, plus they look great. Vacuum and dust regularly. Focus on areas where dust collects, like vents and under furniture. If you notice persistent musty smells, visible mold, or your allergies get worse, it might be time to call a professional. Riverway offers inspections and solutions for tricky air quality problems. If you have questions or need help, reach out to Riverway Plumbing and Mechanical. We're here 24/7 for emergency service and always happy to help you breathe easier at home. Call us today at 812-327-8080.